Good morning, adventurers.
Morning.
From a beautiful day here in Zurich.
It's bloody lovely here.
So the goal today, I think we're gonna spend the day just exploring the city, showing you guys all the cool stuff that it has to offer. This video is actually sponsored by Zurich Tourism, so huge shout out to them for sending us on all these cool adventures. We're gonna be doing a bunch of other stuff this week as well, in addition to today.
There's gonna be so much food, so many amazing views.
Oh man, the views, we're gonna go up into the Alps, y'all.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it. Maybe not today, but another day.
We're just gonna explore this amazing city. Pretty excited about it.
Let's do it. We were so surprised by how blue the water is in the river. What was the name of this river? I totally forgot, but we just looked it up. Limmat River, but look how blue it is. You can see all the way to the bottom. It's very cool. It makes for some really nice photos.
One thing you notice when you first come to Zurich is there are these amazing old churches all over the city, and this one is right down the street from us, and you can kind of see it from all over since it's pretty tall, but it has the twin towers. It's called the Grossmunster Church. I don't think that's actually how you pronounce it, but it's close, maybe. So you can go up the stairs. I think there's like 180 something stairs, and then there's a good lookout over the whole city, so we're gonna go check it out.
Starting the long, intimidating journey to the top.
This is a lot tighter than I thought it was going to be.
A little scary. This is pretty cool. It really feels like a medieval tower that we're ascending into. Lots and lots of stairs, though. We have made the climb up to the top.
It was
definitely worth it.
Yeah, it was a little hard though.
Yeah, it was a little bit of hard work. Some of these tours behind us, I didn't think they were gonna make it, but you get a really insane view all around of Zurich, and this is our first view of Zurich from above, and it is pretty sweet, pretty impressive.
To get up here, it costs 5 francs, which is it's 5 USD. So not so bad for this amazing view. Oh, it's lunchtime. Let's go.
The river has all these little spots where you can just kind of sit and chill. There's so many of them that they're not always that crowded, other than when you come here, all these swans kind of swarm you, and a bunch of little ducks and stuff. It's pretty adorable. Pretty
cute, but we were scared they were gonna jump up and steal all of our stuff, so we had to move up a bit. For lunch, we went to Stern & Grill on Mimi's recommendation. She said that they have great bratwurst there. So we got a couple different kinds and a big old pretzel. Eric got the original.
So I got this big old bratwurst here.
Yes, and I got one that's spicy. And they had 2 or 3 other kinds that you could get, but they look freaking amazing. They're still hot, even though we walked about 10 minutes with them. They're still piping hot.
Yeah, I'm still letting it cool down a bit.
Oh, but it
so
smells
hot.
so good.
But our total for all of this was about 19 franc, right?
Yeah.
Which, by the standard that I've seen so far, seems pretty affordable.
Yeah, this is actually one of the most affordable meals we've had here. All right, I capped them in mustard. Let's give it a try.
Oh, that really crunched. That's awesome.
Oh man, that is about as delicious as a sausage gets. When I bit in there, all this like juice and oil oozed out, but it's like perfectly grilled on the outside, so it's a little crunchy on the outside, but the inside is just so juicy. It does have a little bit of spice to it, which I love, but it's just really nice and salty and fatty tasting. Amazing.
I got the original, so I'm gonna dig right into this sucker. Mine's a lot thicker than yours.
It's not a competition, Eric.
Yes, it is. That is really good. I'm guessing it's probably much different in flavor than the one you had. Also, this one is a lot less kind of seared on the outside, so you don't get that much differentiation between like the outside and the inside. But it's nice and juicy, delicious, peppery, flavorful, damn good. The water in Switzerland, we've learned, is actually really, really good. So you can drink it straight from the tap, and all over the city you'll see fountains like this where you can just fill up a cup and drink from it.
Unless it says specifically not drinking water, then it's drinking water.
We had a bit of a storm that rolled in, so we hunkered down under some trees, but it quickly went away. You can see it back there. Yeah. It was pretty legit, but it came and went. But as you can see, we decided to rent a pedal boat. These things are so much fun. We've only done this one time before when we were in Amsterdam, but we had a blast, so let's do it. You guys, I'm having an absolute blast out here. The clouds have kind of covered the sun, so it's not super hot anymore. It's real nice.
Very nice. There's a lot of people out, but it's not too bad, so you're not like running into anybody. But also, we are so sad because you can swim in this lake, and it looks like other people actually have pedal boards that have a slide on them. How cool would that have been?
Yeah, we didn't bring our swimsuit. That was so dumb. Because I would be in this water because we dipped our toes in, and it is so friggin' nice.
Rookie mistake, but now you don't have to make the same mistake.
All right, back to the dock.
Y'all, it is dinner time. We definitely worked up an appetite pedaling around on the river or the lake for, I think we did it a full hour. We were just going and going. But, so we came to get Thai food. I know that's not very Swiss of us, but we are going to be eating lots of Swiss food in, I think, a couple days. We're gonna do a full-on food vlog. So we decided to go a little international tonight. So we ended up coming to this restaurant called White Elephant that was recommended again by Mimi. But we started with these little dumplings that are, I think, chicken and peanuts in there, and they're very freshly steamed. They're still steaming, so Eric is not allowed to get anywhere close to them until I give him the okay that they're not too hot. I'm really excited to eat these. I don't think we've quite had this type of dumpling, kind of like the steamed kind, in quite a while. That is really good. The flavor is not very overwhelming. It's really nutty. The chicken is in there, but there also must be some like fish sauce and some spices. But it's really good, really nice for an appetizer, really light.
Our entrees have arrived. I went with the crispy duck, and it looks really nice, and they gave us a hefty portion, which is great.
And I got, it was supposed to be tofu and Thai basil, so it's a spicier dish with mixed veggies, but I switched it out for chicken. So it's chicken and veggies, Thai basil, and lots of chilies.
So I'm gonna grab a big old chunk of this crispy duck. It's really nice and very simple. It looked like it could have been a little dry, but it's really not. And there's also, like, I actually just noticed there's a bed of juice below it that I didn't really get. So let's try that again with all this delicious sauce on there. The sauce is really flavorful, a little bit tangy, really oily. And the flavor of the duck is really great, but when you put the sauce in it, then it makes it something very, very special.
I can already smell the spices from here. Yeah, there's for sure a lot of ginger mixed in there, which you kind of get first. It's not actually spicy very much at all, but maybe if I add a hunk of chili, it'll spice things up a bit.
So I think I won with the duck. It was very, very tasty.
It was so good.
Your dish was good, but mine was real good.
Yeah,
it did kind of tear my mouth up a bit, but it was worth it.
But mine had so many vegetables, so that was nice.
So tomorrow we are going on an epic adventure to a mountain nearby called Titlis. I think it's Titlis, something like that. But it's gonna be epic, insane, awesome views, all the adjectives that you guys know and love from us.
It's gonna be bananas.
Yeah. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be great. But we're gonna be getting up bright and early for that one tomorrow.
Ooh-wee. Yeah, I think we gotta get up pretty early. I don't know exactly how long the drive is, but we're gonna see some amazing scenery.
Oh yeah.
I've tried to look up some pictures. I'm not really sure if it'll be snowy or not, but I think it's gonna be cold up there. I'm a little nervous for that.
Yeah, we do not have the gear for that.
No, it'll be beautiful though. But I hope you guys enjoyed exploring Zurich with us. We had an absolute blast. Can't wait to do more. Good night, adventures.
We'll see you on the road.